Namaste everyone, this is Sandeep and welcome to my channel Only Study by Sandeep Dhiman. Our today's topic is comparisons. This is unit number 4 of practice book and we are going to discuss this. What are comparisons and what are the degrees of comparisons and how we change them, that we are going to discuss today. But before we begin, I want to tell you I'm not going to send you a file to take notes because I make videos and you don't watch them. I have been making this video since 7:30 and now the time is 11:46. So you can understand how much time I'm spending, and it is not good if you don't watch this. So let's start. Comparisons. So first of all we need to discuss the definition. What is definition? Comparison means to find out the differences and similarities between two or more nouns, person, place, thing. So if we are comparing two things, means we are making comparison. Okay, we use adjectives to make comparisons. In next slide we'll discuss about this. If we talk about the degrees of comparisons, then there are three degrees of comparisons: positive, comparative and superlative. Let's discuss them one by one. So here we have positive. Positive is used to describe noun. For example, this boy Ajay is a tall boy. Okay, so this is just describing this. Now look here, comparative. It is used to compare two things. When we will compare these two boys, then we'll say Vijay is taller than Ajay or Ajay is shorter than Vijay. Okay, than is used to compare two things. Okay, in comparative degree than is used. Then after, superlative. Now what is superlative? It is the highest degree and it is used to compare more than two nouns or things. Okay, for example, here in this picture you can see Rajesh is taller than 3 or Ajay is smaller than these 3. Okay, the is used when we make superlative comparison. Now here are some pictures. Look here, this girl is happy. This is positive degree. This is happier than this one. So this is comparative degree. And here if we talk about these three, she is the happiest among the girls. So this is superlative degree. Same thing here, you can see good, better, best, useful, more useful, most useful, young, younger, youngest, hot, hotter, hottest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Now here we have this is important thing you need to know, because if you don't know about this, you will not be easily understand the next things that we are going to discuss in next slides. Syllable. What is a syllable? A word or part of a word which contains vowel sound, right? So simply I'll tell you vowel sounds. How many vowel sounds are there in a word? The how much syllables will be there. Okay, for example, if there is, look here, snap, only one vowel sound is there, a. Okay, silt, e. Okay, only one sound. Easy, only one sound. Okay, so these are one syllable word, right? And two words, hotel, ho, tell, two sound, o and a. Poem, o and a. Chorus, o and a. Two. This is two word syllable, and there can be 3, 4, 5, 6 syllable words. For example, important, important. So this is 3 word syllable. And America, this is 4 word syllable. Now here, how do we change the degrees? One syllable word, if there is one word syllable, then we just add er or est at the end. For example, high, higher, highest, tall, taller, tallest. And if a word is ending in e, then we just add r or st. For example, simple, it is ending in e, so we'll just add r, and here st. Simple, simpler, simplest. Okay, if the word is one word, one syllable word, okay, it is ending in by, then drop by and add ier or iest. Look here, this is ending in y, so in here we have dropped by and added ier, and here iest, right? Heavy, heavier, heaviest, happy, happier, happiest. Now here important thing, double the consonant before adding er or est when one syllable adjective is ending in consonant plus vowel plus consonant. Look here, b is consonant, I is vowel, and g is again consonant. So when we make comparison and we add er and est, before that we double the letters. Big, bigger, biggest, here double g, double g. Fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay, now here change in the degrees of comparisons, they which are more than 2 syllable. Okay, so there we add more or less. For example, beautiful, so here is b u t full, 4 word syllable is this, so here we use more and most. More beautiful, most beautiful, same thing here. The girl is beautiful, this is more beautiful, and this is most beautiful, right? I hope up to here everything is clear to you. Now there are some exceptions, means they don't follow any rule. Good, better, best, bad, worst, bad, worst, worst, far, farther, farthest, many, much, more, most, little, few, less, least. Now this is your homework. Write and learn the topic, improve your reading and writing skill, test yourself and keep revising. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.